Dior, guess what I got under the Christmas tree? An unexpected gift, my darlings. And I thought, let me do another unboxing and keep it in the Dior family, shall we? So without a beat, my loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are stopping for the very first time, welcome. I hope that you will stay. Before I forget, don't forget to hit the notification button, to like and to subscribe, and follow my beautiful niece at Crafty Unicorn. Alrighty, so this episode, like I said, is an unboxing, and it is a pair of wonderful shoes that I got from Dior. Let us open it up, shall we? So it came in this bag, and right now Dior has this kind of 18th century pattern. That was not the case for the shoes. It came in this classic white Dior bag, as you can see. And then we had some tissue I'm going to take out, and here we have the Dior box. Voila. So I hope we can see this. Yes. So I'm going to be dark right now. It's not about me, it's about the shoes. So we're going to open the box, and right in front of us, and here we have, I think, what you call the authenticity card. That's right, in this little envelope. And then we have the duster bag, the shoe bag, Dior. Let me see if we have one or two. Oh, we have two. Yes, so we have two little Dior bags. I love these because I put my shoes in them, and I always put two in one. I put two different shoes in one. So if my suitcase goes missing, you have two different shoes. All right, so we have tissue. So satisfying. Open up, sesame, open up, da da da, da da da. And they are the Dior Kitten heel shoe. I got a size 41, but they also have half sizes, 41 and a half, and I think they have a 42. So these are the shoes that I got. Let us take one out if I can. Da, da, da. Yes, let me take this one out. And here we have it, guys. I'm a mom, I'm running around, and I want to look cute. I can't have the high heel, so I decided to have the kitten heel. And this is so fabulous for running up and down the street of London town. That was Ula helping me. Underneath you have the symbol of Dior, which is lucky, is luck, is the lucky star. This is the symbol of Dior. And let me put it up this way. Here you go. It's Dior, made in Italy, is size 41. I got the fabric. It comes in velvet, it comes in patent leather, it comes in different colors, it comes in different heights. You have the kitten heel, you have the flat, as well as the high heel. And you have the j'adore with the little bow on the side, and that really just sets off the shoe. I love the black and white because you can wear it with everything and anything. If you hear noise in the back, specifically a child, that's my son. And Ula's taking care of him. Do I have lipstick on my teeth? Yes, I do. So yes, so I got the fabric, and it's got that kind of ribbed edge to it. I'll bring it closer so that you can see. And this is what it looks like, guys. It's got Christian Dior right there on the foot. Voila. Let me take this out. And there you have it. My favorite. I'm a kitten heel girl right now. I have Adrian, I have the push chair, I have my bag, I have meetings, and I have to get there on time and still look cute. And this is perfect. You can wear it literally with everything. Even my outfit right now, you can just go with these. So I wanted to share with you guys. Again, you can get them at Dior, you can get them online also. And it's so, so classy. It just reminds me of Breakfast at Tiffany's. It reminds me of Grace Kelly. It's such a classic shoe, and it's so timeless. And so it really is worth the investment. So guys, if you want to spoil yourselves, guys, if you want to spoil your girlfriends, your wives, you want something yummy that they will love you for, get them this. Ula, thank you so much. He spoiled me. Well, I just had a baby, so you know, I am taking full advantage of his generosity. All right, my loves, that is it. Short and very sweet. Love this. I love, 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 love this. You're gonna see me running around London in these. So that is it, darlings. And if you love the makeup, it was in the last episode. You can watch the tutorial there. Juvia's, please don't forget to use my discount code, and I will see you in the next episode. Okay, Ula, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, my loves. I'll see you soon. Mwah.